Welcome everybody. Today we're going to do a one-bedroom tour of a DVC room here at Disney's Aulani. Let's do this. So notice the wood carving on all the doors here. Notice the Mickeys in the four corners. So this is a one bedroom here in a DVC room here at Disney's Aulani. When you first come in, you have your kitchen on the right. You have your bathroom on the left. We'll start with the kitchen. So your kitchen comes with a full-size fridge, stove, oven, microwave, coffee maker. You do have a dishwasher. You even have a rice cooker. Up here you do have a toaster. You have all the plates, dishes, glassware you could possibly need to cook. Over here you have the dining room. So you have a bench seating on one side, and then you have two stools that are movable. The dining table has a couple of books on there. This closet right here is actually your stackable washer and dryer. Thermostat over here on the wall. You have lots of space here in this living room. If you wanted to turn this into a two-bedroom lock-off, this door right here would go to a studio. This below the TV actually turns into a bed. We'll pull that down in a minute and show you what that looks like. Perfect for if you don't want to pull out the couch. But when you pull this out, it actually still leaves lots of space here in the living room. Check out this cool lamp. It's got Mickey surfing when it's on. And then we'll walk out to our patio. We have an island garden view. There's actually two patios, one from the living room and one from the bedroom. We're on the second floor here, so we don't have a great view. But this is the island garden view. We actually can see a view there of the luau. So this couch does pull out into either a full or a queen size bed. That ottoman there in the middle that's kind of doubling as a coffee table, you can open the top of that and there's a blanket and pillow for some of the extra bedding. This closet right here is just storage. There is a laundry basket, a room safe, hangers, place to keep your luggage. And now we'll go into the master bedroom. It's TV and dresser. So over here you have a desk, chair, and you have this awesome Mickey lamp, Mickey surfboard lamp. It's in every room here at Aulani, and I believe you can only find that here in Aulani. They actually have it for sale in the gift shop for only $300. Here is the patio from the master bedroom. Like I said, they're not connected. It's roughly the same size, couple chairs, couple of tables. And like we said earlier, we do have a view of the area that they do the luau in and some other activities. We were able to listen to parts of the luau the other night. This right here goes into the bathroom. So these doors right here can slide open. And if somebody wanted to watch TV from the bathtub, they could. Here we have another closet. Got hangers, storage, place to put your suitcases. You have a single vanity sink in here. And then in here, this room, which closes off, you do have a walk-in shower. It's got 2 different shower heads, a bench seat. This is where your toilet is. You have another vanity sink and a mirror. And then we're back to the front. And here is what that bed looks like pulled down. Again, so when you pull that bed down, you still have plenty of space here in this living room. And that'll do it here from our 1-bedroom tour in DVC at Disney's Aulani. See you real soon.